Hey guys, how's it going? I hope everyone is doing great. Uh, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to use how to access dark web without needing a true browser. Uh, oh, I think some of you might know I'm using this, the Brave. Yeah, if you know, just comment down. Um, this Brave has so many amazing features. I kind of love it. It's my one of the favorite web browser. It works on Web3. If you don't know what's Web3, just Google it. I mean, yeah. So right now, I'm just talking about two features. If you want to know more about Brave, about other features, just comment down. Let me know. Right now, I'm just gonna talk about the private browser or like true browser. So there's two private browser option in here. This is something like incognito. It is in connected to the dark web there. So let's leave that for now. You can use that in any of the browser like Chrome or other. So this one, so it has a two browser in it. Like you can access dark web with it. Now it is trying to connect. It's gonna take a few seconds. There you go. So we are in Onion Router now. I wouldn't recommend you. I wouldn't recommend you to use in Dell basis. There might be some, the malicious things in there. Stay safe. Yeah, just don't click the link if you're browsing it. Don't click the link. If you don't know, like if you're not sure about it, you might click on some malicious link and that might infect you. You know, that might infect your computer, whatever you're using, or like your PC or mobile devices. Yeah. Thank you so much, guys. Thanks for watching. Just comment down if you knew about it already or you're new to Brave. If you and yeah, this is free. Brave is free, open source. It from any browser. Just yeah. See, it's you can download it from any browser. Just browse it. Click. Thanks, guys. See you next video. Have a good one. Haha.